There are many reasons like low gas prices, network speed, upcoming opportunities in the network, to mention a few, for getting started in the Fantom network. Do you ask yourself, how can I join the Fantom ecosystem and start profiting from it, besides just buying the FTM token? We have you covered. In this video, I help you to get started with the Fantom ecosystem. We need to set up a wallet that is compatible with the Fantom network. We will use Metamask for that purpose. The FTM token is the gas on the Fantom network, so we need to get some FTM tokens to your newly configured wallet. We will also cover how to bridge coins over from the Ethereum or Binance Chain Networks to the Fantom network. Before you can get started, you need to have a Metamask wallet up and running. If you didn't do that yet, here is a video that explains how to do that. If you want to see if the Fantom ecosystem is worth your time, money and energy, check out my recent Fantom Project review. I go into great detail there, but for now, let's get started. Here we are on CoinGecko. The Fantom coin is gas on the Fantom ecosystem, like Ether on the Ethereum blockchain or the Binance coin on the Binance Smart Chain. And yeah, we see at the moment we are standing at $1.25. The market cap is at the moment at around $3 billion. Compared to other tokens similar to Fantom, there is a great growth potential still. What is also very interesting is the Fantom ecosystem. That's why we are setting up this whole thing today, to be able to invest on the Fantom blockchain as well. We see there are a couple of projects, but there is a lot of potential for new projects, especially with the announced 370 million decentralized finance incentive program for coders. We will for sure see a lot of new projects in the Fantom ecosystem. I think there is the biggest growth potential, of even bigger than compared to the Fantom coin itself. But let's get started with setting up the Fantom network. As I said before, you should have set up Metamask before already. If you didn't do that, you've a video how to do it in the corner. Best is to set it up and then come back to this tutorial and we continue from there. The first step would be, after you have a Metamask up and running, that you log in to your Metamask as usual. I already did it here. And then you have to add up here a new network. I already did that. But if you didn't do it, just click to custom RPC. Let me do it again. Then you need to fill out the network name, which is Fantom Network. Then you need to add the new RPC URL, which is rpcapi.fantom.network. The chain ID is 250. The currency symbol is FTM. And the block explorer URL is ftmscan.com. Then click to save and you can switch between your networks. Probably you were in the Ethereum network, but then you can just go to the Fantom Opera network. To operate in the Fantom network, you need some FTM tokens there, because it's like the gas fee on the Fantom network. This will be the next step. There are different options that you have here to add Fantom tokens here. I already have 0.2 Fantom tokens there, and I got them for free. That's the option that we will try first. You can join the Spookyswap Discord channel. Maybe this will not work forever, but for now it still works and we can try it. After you joined the Spookyswap Discord channel, you need to go to the faucet channel, and there you need to type !faucet and press enter. Okay, I already did it, so for me it's not working. For you it should work, and then you will get a following message. After some time you should get the confirmation that you get a credit of 0.2 FTM, and you can transfer them to your Metamask with the following comment, !withdraw, and now you need your address from your newly created wallet. You can find it here. If you click on your account here, your FTM wallet address is automatically copied to the clipboard. Then you can just go to the Spookyswap Discord channel, and there you can enter !withdraw space, and then just enter your Metamask Fantom wallet address. A couple of seconds later, you should get a success message, and the funds are in your wallet. Of course, with 0.2 Fantom tokens, you cannot buy a lot of other tokens, but you can do your first transactions. The transaction fees are really low in the Fantom ecosystem. You're good to go with that. But to buy more tokens there, or buy, for example, what do we have here? Some kind of interesting tokens like the Popsicle Finance ICE token or the Spookyswap Poo token, you need more Fantom there in your wallet. One option to do that is you can just go to Binance and buy Fantom token there and then withdraw them. I will not show it here, but I have a screenshot here. You will see if you transfer to your Metamask wallet, you do the transaction on the Ethereum chain, and yeah, you need to be ready to pay some Ethereum fees there. Step 3 would be then to swap over your Fantom token from the Ethereum blockchain to your Fantom network, and for that we will go to multichain.xyz. There you need to choose your Ethereum wallet where your Fantom tokens are that you just sent from Binance to your Metamask Ethereum wallet, and there you can choose the amount of Fantoms that you want to bridge from your Metamask Ethereum wallet to your Metamask Fantom wallet. You can enter the amount, then just go to transfer, and a couple of seconds later the amount that you enter here is available in your Fantom Metamask wallet. Now we are ready to buy the first token. There are different exchanges on the Fantom network, for example the Spookyswap Finance or the Swap Finance, and also Swap is available already on the Fantom network. You can buy here on Swap, on Swap, or also on Spookyswap. Here you see the portfolio. We're gonna swap, so we click on swap. Then you can choose the coin that you want to buy, for example the Poo coin. You can choose the amount of Fantom coins that you want to swap for Poo coins and just click swap, confirm, and you're done. And now you are ready to participate in the Fantom ecosystem. As I said, I think there will be many great opportunities in the next month, so stay tuned, stay updated, enjoy your ride on the Fantom network. If you enjoyed today's video, it would help me and the channel to do following 3 things. Smash the like and the subscribe button and hit the bell to get notified when a new video is released. If you didn't get enough of me and my content, follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest and Facebook for updates around my favorite topics. For email updates, visit www.Weirdo.Rocks and leave your email address. Thanks for watching and see you soon again.